For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new. Feeling like a brand new me, brand new me. I'm feeling like a brand new me. Yeah. Feeling like a brand new me. I'm feeling like a brand new me. It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. Oh, you slow down time in your golden hour. We were just
Hi love, this is it. In a few hours from now, I will be your wife and you will be my husband. Excited? Anyways, this is my simple gift for you. Why ka naman? Because it's one of the things that I love about you. Your scent, kabalo ka na mahilig ko mag-amoy nimo.
Iya. Pasamata.
And it's the one thing that helps me to remind myself that you'll be away soon. It feels you're still with me. Promise, ang second gift is later na. I love you so much. See you, hubby. Love, Kay.
It's your golden hour. You slow down time in your
Hi, love. I want to give you something useful and meaningful, something that can help in ministry, something that can hold our photos, memories, and dreams. May this, why? Why? May this tablet remind you that wherever life takes us, will always I'll write our story together. I love you,
Not only Christ holds you together, as well, Christ strengthens you through trials. Marriage will face storms, sickness, financial struggles, maybe even seasons of doubt. But when Christ is your third strand, you are not fragile. His strength sustains you.
And I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means.
By my side through all these years, together as my best friend, girlfriend, fiancé, and now my wife. You've loved me through all the craziness and supported me every step of the way.
If the world
I can still remember the day when God placed me sa bangko to do His ministry. Yet God has other plans as well and purpose why He do such thing. And that's because He wants us to cross paths. Indeed, it was really a perfect time. I always pray to God for patience, for guidance, and for the love that would last forever. I waited, and though the journey was long and worry fills me sometimes, and thoughts of being single forever scares me. Siyempre, wala dyan ko ga-desire na mahimong maglaon. I trust God's timing is always perfect. Now, I see that all those years of waiting were worth it because I have you.
And our time on earth was through. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
So, let your covenant today be more than promises to each other. Let it be a covenant with God. That's the secret of a love that lasts.
With everything I have to offer, from now and forever, I vow to never forget that this is once in a lifetime love, and I will choose you every day for all the days of my life. I love you.
My love, I don't know what the future will bring, but I know that I want to face every single part of it with you. Today, I choose you. Tomorrow, I'll choose you. And for the rest of my life, I will keep choosing you over and over again.
And die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.